bawal pong tumawid.
Welcome to Darwin.
Okay, dito naman po tayo sa hagdanan. Featuring yung bagong sapatos. Oy, pero naka-point sa si Jairus dyan.
I know.
May 1 point na siya.
Manda ka mamaya sa kanilang poste.
Yes, sa vlog.
Oy!
Hi, vlog!
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Oh, ata Jai?
Wala nang nanonood ng kay Bob. Wag na.
No,
You have to take revenge.
It's not new.
You have to take
You only step on
The new shoes.
the new shoes.
No, no, no,
This
no,
is
no.
old. That one is new.
It's old news. Make it dirty. It's old. You're so far.
Kailangan din pala ng subtitle.
Jeff is going to post hello vlog. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello. Where are we going?
Fish market. Fish market.
Report.
Report,
Who's
guys.
coming?
Welcome to this episode. We're gonna do. We're going to the. You know, we're gonna do the thing, and please enjoy the show.
Jay, asay mong sunny Jay.
Pagod sa pagstorya. Backward.
Okay, at this point we're here in the train, and you know what you do on the train because you know everything is good, and follow for more.
Ano man to, Jai?
Ha?
Ano man to?
Sa ambot? Ano to? Guys, welcome to this place. This place is called, you know what? Just wait for it later. Enjoy our vlog.
Oh, light trail.
Money.
Train muna.
Let's go. Ano ba?
Yung mga taga dito, hindi po sila nagkakaintindihan.
Kung ano.
Hindi nila kung heavy or light rail.
Ay, joke pala yun.
It's a joke. Eme!
We are going to the fish market and kakababa lang namin ng train, so lilipat kami ng a tram. But this is not the tram. Okay. So ito daw po pala takbo.
Hindi ko na maumang good ni. Vlog ko si Pirmi. Tara, i-video iba.
Ay, makita mo like that.
Okay. Ako lagi na.
So nagkakaagrihan na po ang tao.
Tingnan mo ang difference ng arm. Nakaganda na ako. Sa tingnan mo.
Ay! Ay!
Maui wow. Why? So ano pala to, babe? Before tayo mag-fish market, magja-jungle muna tayo. Try ba natin to? Kuya, andito kami kuya. Saan?
Free taste.
May free taste pero walang namimigay.
Sorry.
Ay, nag-sorry naman siya pero nakalagpas na tayo.
Balik kami rin.
Fish market pero yung hanap, pizza. Fruits.
Guys.
Masyadong ang daming tao. Like, hindi kita pero like,
May cold brews lang.
literally, everybody's standing while eating, while deciding. Parang having fruits and croissant. You guys, $15 po siya. So, sulit po ba? Malalaman. Kasi kahapon pa nag-Korean kami. So parang naghanap yung katawan ko ng something light, something easy to digest. Medyo malaki lang yung pagkahiwa, pero $15 siya, be. Pero hindi nagkakalayo, diba? Kasi sa Darwin parang 12 na din. Ganun. Pero maliit yung hiwa.
Yeah.
We got green kiwi. Sobrang busy ngayon because this is the first weekend when they open the fish market, the new fish market. Look at the croissant. Yummers! Okay, nakalabas na po tayo.
Busog na.
But it's so hot.
It's really, really hot. Yan. Tapos ito yung view. Look at the view. Ah! Wait lang. Nagmamadali. Pero, yung init, hindi matakasan. Hala, may ano na sila, Jai? May head count na. Ay, ano, may nakapila na. Ay, sorry, ano kayo, next batch po kayo nakakapasok. So, bali, ano pala, binibilang niya, oh, may 5 nakalabas, sige, 5 pasok. Paano?
How to dodge the Sydney heat. Ano, dito pala sa Sydney Zoo.
Akala mo ba Sydney to? Ba't nasa Bohol tayo? Ay, yan pala. That's the new fish market. Yang sa harap, that's the old one. So literally, they're just right across to each other. Kilala niyo ba sila? Outfit check. Brand new shoes. Di ka lang naman yung brand new.
Pants from Uniqlo.
Shoes from
Bag from Cotton. Sports Girl. Glasses. And of course.
Onitsuka Tiger. You're hot now.
If we take a photo, you do this, baba up. And then you do this, your shoes like that. Okay?
Okay.
And let's go for
Ah? Ano daw?
Let's go.
Kailangan mo ng subtitle.
Okay? Then your shoes.
Turn around. Show your whole outfit.
And then pose. Pose.
After the mainit na.
1, 2, 3.
Tay. Tay. How do you, ano? Init. Kana. It's not hot anymore. Next agenda, Birkenhead Point. Gagastos na naman. And we are back sa Birkenhead Point.
We're back, bitches.
Hindi kasi, what do you call that? It's an outlet shops or stores ng mga
Very
sports
famous.
apparels, like Adidas, Nike, New Balance, those kinds of brands. So they do have shops inside the Birkenhead Point. And then yun.
No, it's an outlet shop for us.
Yeah, it's an outlet shop. An outlet of emotions, feelings na
Anxieties.
na only ano lang, yung therapy lang is gastos. First damage, you guys. yung unang damage. What's that? First damage.
It's for what? So it's essential.
Laging may justification talaga. It's for work. It's essential. No, just enjoy your money. Okay. Now we're trying to look
Ka-ching, ka-ching.
for a work shoe ni Irish. So Nike tayo mga kapamilya. Okay, another update.
Other shoes, guys.
Would you believe that I got parang a Nike na, was it a Vomero? Sa halagang $70. Kung akala niyo po tapos na, hindi pa po. Meron pa po tayong
End of season sale.
another season. Sa kanilang end of season sale. Oh, this one is actually nice. Hello. Oh! Hello.
Stop.
Stop. Hello. Hi, ga. Lagi mo diri, ga.
Welcome back.
Yes. Hello. Hello, Daddy. Pwede ba ka ma-porter, Jay?
Yeah, let's test.
Let's test it.
Quality approved.
Quality approved.
So which one? Okay. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Walay Caroline. Yes, happy. Yeah.
Welcome to your house.
Yeah, vlogger.
Tubaho!
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ah, la 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 la. Hey,
He always sounds like you.
This is chicken.
are we recording? Are we recording?
On.
Review ng Meta.
Oh my gosh. Guys, can you see this?
Live review.
Yes.
Is it giving?
It's giving.
It's giving $700.
Tapad gamay sa TV para makita unsa ka kagamay. Review.
Review. The challenge of pag ano tawag doon?
Mommy and Dad.
Pag cross. It's so nice to be out na hindi mainit. Tapos ano lang tayo, naka-sleeveless lang po tayo. Dahil nasa mabuhangin na po tayong parte, kailangan na po nating mag-change outfit.
Chanelas ni. Sponsored by
Sponsored by Beshi Sandidel.
Coco Reveal. Coco Reveal. Coco Reveal. Mine is very pretty than yours.
Wow.
Sarah, you wanna say hi to the vlog?
Say hi, vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi na
Hi
kuya.
vlog. Talo na siya. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to my vlogs. Wala.
Ala.
Nag-vlog ko pero wala gay ko gigunitan.
Oh, dramatic. So dramatic. Ooh, look at the chicken. The chicken is flying. Okay, vlog take over.
Give it to me, mama. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for him and now he's hiding. Is that mainit? You're just maarte.
Lubat naman na.
Hi guys. We are the 8th. Hello.
It's vlog takeover. I mean, what? Guys, it's vlog takeover.
Ayan, converted ka na din. Nagtago sa tent. But the view is so nice, you guys.
Full mo sa mga Omegas and
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Australia.